Hello friends, my name is Varshika and today I am going to tell you how to make Teachers Day card. This card is very interesting and you know what is the shape of this card? Shape of this card is pencil, and as teachers are teaching us, so we write with a pen or a pencil. So I thought of designing this as a pencil shape. This very interesting video. Even I liked it too much. So let's start making it. For that you need scissor, permanent marker, pencil, scale, glue stick. This is the shape of a pencil, as you can see. This is in between, there is company's name and some color, no? That is why this is for that. Long strip of yellow paper, a strip of blue paper, or like these cutouts. Four rectangles. So let's start making it. For this, first you need to take this blue color sheet, scale. Now, the permanent marker, you need to draw the lines as they are in the pencil. So now, see, I made the lines. After making these lines, you need to take your yellow color, this, take your glue stick, now again with the help of a skein and this permanent marker, you will draw lines on the edges like this. So now see, this is done. Now you need to keep this aside. Now take this your blue strip. Now you need to fold your blue strip in half. Then take one of this green paper, put it over here. With the help of pencil, mark one line. Draw that line. Now we are having 4, so we will just make the line still 4 centimeter. Leaving 1 centimeter. First, keep this aside. Now take your yellow paper. All the yellow papers you need to stick in between the green papers. See, like this. Now, with the help of a permanent marker, you will write Happy Teachers Day, thank you. So now you need to take this blue color strip. On the lines which we have made, you will fold them. Now we need to start pasting. Now you need to take your yellow color strip. Now you need to take care of this. It was like this. Now you will do this like this. You will put glue over here. I'm thinking that you must have got this card's name. I think so you know this card, or maybe you don't know. Now, with the help of a scale and a pencil, I drew a triangle. Now I am going to cut it. Now, here we'll take an apple, glue it, and see, this card is made. So you know why this card name is Waterfall Card? Because this is like a waterfall. See, waterfall going up, going down. Isn't it amazing? So nice waterfall card in the shape of pencil. Your mom will surely like it. I'm 100% sure your mom will like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my videos. Thank you.